Which are the crops you're familiar with? Which ones make up a major part of our daily diet? You may say wheat, rice, or cereals. Well, they are sure to be a part of the broad term crops. But do you know which of these provides our body with what? Let us have a look at some of the crops and what they provide us with. Cereals such as wheat, rice, and maize provide us with carbohydrates. What about pulses? What do they provide us with? Pulses like grams, peas, and lentils provide our body with proteins. What gives our bodies the fats we need? Oilseeds? Yes, mustard, soybean, and ground nuts are a few of the oilseeds that give us the fats we need for our body. Vegetables and fruits are our source of vitamins and minerals. Do you know people also raise fodder crops? It may surprise you to know that some farmers grow only fodder grass like Sudan grass and oats that provide cattle with the food they need. But can a farmer grow all these crops? Can all of them be grown in one piece of land and at any time of the year? Unfortunately, this cannot be the case. Each crop requires different climatic conditions, sunlight, and water content. Depending on these, crops are grown during different seasons. Do you know the two seasons in which the crops are grown? Some crops are grown in the rainy season. They are known as the Kharif season. Do you know what the Kharif period is? It begins in the month of June and extends till October. Paddy, soybean, maize, grams are few of the crops grown in the rainy season. The second period of growing crops is in the winter season. This season is known as the Rabi season, and crops such as wheat, gram, mustard, linseed are called Rabi crops. Now that you know about the two types of seasons for crop growth, let us look at how the growth rate of crops has increased in a country like India. Between the period 1916 to 2004, the crop production in India increased fourfold. Does that mean there was rampant deforestation? Were huge tracts of land cleared to make space for agriculture? The shocking fact is that only 25% of cultivable land was increased. How does this happen then? How could the same amount of land produce so many more crops? The answer is a threefold plan of agriculture. What do we mean by a threefold plan of agricultural improvement? At the first level of improvisation, better quality seeds are used. Choice of seeds plays an important role in agriculture. After planting of seeds, what is the next important thing? Nurturing is the next step. And finally, it is the protection and storing of the harvested crop. Each stage has a fancy name as well as a group of activities. The activities in the first group are called as crop variety improvement. What could be the name of the activities in the second stage? It is called as the crop production management, and the activities in the third stage are known as crop protection management. Now that we know the various stages of crop improvement, we will study each of them in detail in our further videos.